dream when your back hits the ground and things turn around. You know it was only a dream, 'cause nothing is as bad as you think, even when you're pulling at the seams. When the lights go out, you still got me. Oh, 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 oh. Detours lead to barricades, and home is for your friends are fake. I'll be there to clear the way. Oh, 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 oh. And you know my love can hold you down. You know my love can hold you down. And you know my love can hold you down. You know my love can hold you down.
My favorite aspect of ATO has probably been the mentorship from the older guys. Just coming into Pepperdine as a freshman and getting to see these amazing leaders on campus and just how they live their lives and getting to hang out with them and just trying to be like them.
I think that the relationships I've made here have been my favorite part about ATO. Because growing up as a military child and moving around a little bit, it was always important for me to have a close group of guy friends that I could rely on. That's what I found here. The relationships mean so much more than the context of a fraternity. Take away the letters, we're still going to be the same guys that we were before. Same brothers, ready to have each other's back, do anything for each other.
I've grown a lot spiritually in ATO. One of my favorite things about ATO are our convocation small groups that we do that the chaplain or someone else leads. And I've grown a lot through that, just getting to talk about stuff that we don't normally talk about, and then now getting to lead that as chaplain has been really cool.
I saw the character of the upperclassmen, and I knew that I wanted to be a lot more like them than I was currently, and so still looking up to them.
Don't ever feel like you're fitting into a mold. It's definitely something where you're your own person, and that's something that separates us, because we really push for the diversification of the fraternity and each man to be his own man and not fit any sort of mold.
The relationships are super intimate, and people are really intentional with getting to know you, and by the time you're done, you have come close to the man that you wanted to become.
My hair blows up when I'm alone. What's up, boys? I'm Jax.
And I'm Logan.
And we're your 2018 Rush Chairs this year. We've got a bunch of fun events planned for you guys. Anything from dodgeball to cliff jumping. It's going to be a heck of a time and you're not going to want to miss it.
We really want to encourage all you guys to come out to Rush this year. We've been looking forward to get to know all of you guys. It's going to be a great time.
Rush ATO.
Why in the world would you hit me when